windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi. We getting it all over the place. This is why I got bars,
Hey, it is Vlogmas day 18, and somebody is 8 months old today. Say hey, everybody. Yeah, so we got a rough start. It's 1:09. We had like a windstorm last night. So around 4:30, the house started shaking, and it was pouring. We got flood warning, everything. So yeah, we've been up for a little bit. That's the hair, and he slept through the whole thing though. Yeah. So and then Mikey had some stuff to do today with the business, so he's not here, and I'm just here with him and the puppies that keep escaping upstairs. Hi. Yeah, they keep escaping upstairs, and it's very hard for me to go up there and get them because I'm home alone. Yeah, so the oldest is coming home now. She's on her way home. She was at school today, and so she can help me a little bit, but then she still has to go to work. So we don't know how that's gonna work today, and I don't know how long Mike is gonna be. So that's what we're doing today. I was gonna do my hair today, which I think I'm still gonna do my hair today. When Mike gets home, I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna film it. So I'm gonna show you my holiday silk press because it is time for my hair to be straight. Because I can't do anything with it with this hectic schedule, and I knew that was gonna happen because at least in the summertime I could wash it every day and comb it out every day, but now I just can't. And then I can't leave it wet because I'm always holding him and I don't want him getting wet from my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna do my silk press today. And I already started my Temu hauls. I didn't get a chance to finish because Mike left, so that'll be coming up in the next ones once I finish that. So I'm gonna try to finish that tonight. I'm not sure if that's gonna get done, but it's gonna be out this week. And my Amazon hauls too. So yeah, that's what I'm doing because I have decided I'm not wrapping nothing. So if you see it, you see it. There you go. So yeah, we also have a Dillard's haul because he got some stuff from Dillard's. You got some little cute stuff, right? You got some cute baby stuff. I did a baby haul. Yeah. Yeah, you got a baby haul. He just woke up, y'all. He was tired. He's actually enjoying like this new I'm just making sure he don't spit up because sometimes he spits up after because he keeps pushing his stomach. Alright, so he's actually liking this new cereal that I got for Kinder Meal. It's called Apple and Blackcurrant. It's from Poland. And he is loving it. This is the first time, like, I don't have to mix no fruit with it or nothing. He just eats it straight. So he's loving that. He had some chicken last night because I was supposed to cook yesterday, but everything that was going on in the house yesterday, and then plus I was tired, we ordered some Cuban food, so he ate some chicken. I had some roast chicken, and I put it in that little net thing with some rice, and he was tearing that up. And then me and Mike had garlic chicken, which is so good. Ooh, it's so good. And we had that with some tostones and some maduros and some arroz blanco and arroz frijoles negro. And yeah, that's what we had. So white rice, black rice, and sweet plantain and green plantain. I like green plantain. I don't like sweet plantain. So that's what I had. And then that was it. So I'm going to sign off right here because I'm about to go get something to eat. And I have to have him with me while I do it. So I gotta go find my carrier. So I can put him in it so I can give me something to eat. I think, you know what? I'm just gonna order something because I'm not even gonna try to cook with him because he's not sitting down for long periods of time right now because of the mouth. So he's clingy. See? All right, so I will see y'all later. And hopefully by the time I see you, I don't know. Like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get a shot of me washing my hair, which I probably won't because I already took my shower today. So I'm going to wash my hair in the tub, and I can't film it that way. So I have to like bend over and do it. So I'm not going to be able to do it. But I'll have my hair wet and ready to, that didn't sound right. But anyway, I'm gonna have it ready to, blow dry and flat iron. So you can see how I do it and how I preserve it for the night. I roll it up, but I don't think I have my rollers. Oh, they didn't come. I had ordered some soft flexi rod, rollers, but they didn't come. But anyway, I'll see you later. All right. Bye. Hey guys, what's up?
I know, y'all be like, this man stay in a black t-shirt. I got like 17 of them. Okay?
Yeah, so we in the girls' space. Looking crazy. The dogs, look at my hair. I look crazy today, y'all. I don't really care. And the baby is over here playing with his steak. I'm about to let the little puppies out so they can all play in a minute. And that's what we're doing. So we up here cleaning because the girls are taking too long to clean. And we got to set a little pen up for the puppies because they keep escaping. So that's our job for today. And then I'm going to do some...
Yeah,
I'm going to do some unboxing in a little bit. So I'll come back to y'all once we done.
Once Mike is done.
Once we done.
Once Mike is
okay. Later. Hey guys, I am back. It's been a long day. A long day. Did not wash my hair. Like I told you, we had like this windstorm that shook the house this morning at like 4:30. We had severe rain. We had to get the basement checked, make sure that we didn't have no flooding because this area floods. So we had to make sure that didn't happen. Mikey was gone, part of it. The puppies kept getting loose and the baby wouldn't sleep. As you can hear, he's in there fussing now. So I'm about to open up these boxes because honestly, I don't even know what I bought anymore because I never opened it when they came, so I can't remember. So, sorry. I'm just going to do a random haul. Just help me. Yeah, I need y'all to help me open up these boxes. Alright, so I know what this is. I got like a little picture frame for him, and I wanted to put his pictures in from birth to a year old. So that's what these are, because I have a little printer here that this goes to. So this is the size of it. Alright, now I got one package that I think might be open, but I'm not sure. No, there's two packages over here that he opened for sure. I think he was looking for something that he bought. So this one is from Kohl's and Walmart. I know what this is. So the girls want to do movie night with matching pajamas. So I had to go and find matching pajamas from two different spots for all of us to have the same pajamas. So these are mine. They're velour. It feels really good. This is from Walmart. It's Sweet Treasure. And it's a large. It looks kind of big. My goodness. That looks big. And this is Mikey's pants. We actually got two pajamas each because we hold baby a lot and baby always spit up on us. So, alright, all of this I got in an extra small for the girls. in a large short for me, because I'm short. So they got extra small short, and I got large short because I'm short. So this is one of the girls' pajamas here. I like them. It feels nice. They're cozy. So these came from Kohl's, and it actually, this might be too big for them because they are little. So it's velour, and it actually comes with socks, which they're gonna love. So we all got the same one of these, so I don't want to open that. The baby, he got his own. His is from Carter's, and this is a 6-month, but I don't think he's this big. I bought a 3-month one just in case, but it has like little bear things. And he might be too hot in that, honestly. Me and him, we hot blooded, as you can see, because it's like 30 degrees, and I'm walking around here upset because the heat is on, and I'm hot. So that was that. So that was Kohl's. This is from Hibbett Sports. So I think this is the baby. This is a random haul, y'all. I have so much packages in this hallway that I did not open yet. As you can, I think in a previous vlog, Mikey might have showed you what was in the hallway. However, more came. So now I'm opening because he's getting upset. Because he's the one that cleans the hallway. So I'm just gonna open it. Oh yeah, so this is the babies. So I got him, this is 0 to 6 months. So he has these, his feet are this small. He looks like he's big, but they're small. And this. So that's his little set right here. He has like a black tech suit. Me and Mikey and the girls, we all have it. So I wanted us all to dress alike one day. So that's why I got this. But I forgot that it was coming. Well, I know it was coming. I just didn't know when. Now this, I really don't know what this is. Because, oh, okay. This is for the baby again. Somebody sent this as a gift for him, but I can show it to y'all because he don't know what it is yet. But I think this is a TikTok thing. All right, so it's this place. It's called Moonlight Storytime, and it's like you can project stories onto the wall as you show them. As you read the story to them, you can actually project this onto the wall, and it shows the picture as you read it. That's what I think it does. Don't give me the lying, because I don't fully know, but I think so. So it's like it goes on the phone here. This thing goes on your phone, and then it's a little cartridge with all the stories. I think this one came with it. So this one is the 3 Little Pigs. Yeah, it goes on your phone. This is the 3 Little Pigs story. This is, I have no idea what this is. They gave me 3 Little Pigs. I don't know. Somebody else bought that, so I don't know what they was ordering. Then this one is, what is this? It don't really say what it is, so I was like, I gotta open this box. I'm telling you, this, even though it don't look like I did much or nothing, this week, it's been hectic. And I'll say it again, dealing with a teething baby, it ain't no joke. It's just not, because you never know when it's gonna hit. So he could be okay, and then he cannot. So I can't get this open. I just cooked dinner, y'all. Oh, so this is Pixar. So it has The Incredibles. This is the book, I guess, that you read. It has Cars. Oh, the girls are gonna love this. They're gonna read this. They have Monsters Inc., Toy Story, and Cars, and the Incredibles. Oh, that's cool. Mikey, come for a second. One of the people that I know sent this for the baby as his gift, and I thought this was cool. They asked me could they send it, but I'm not gonna say their name on camera.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
So
Nice.
it goes on the phone, so it projects the picture as you read the book.
That's nice.
On the
You can use it.
thing, so it has Monsters Inc.,
I like that movie.
Toy Story,
Yeah, I like that movie.
Incredibles, and Cars.
Yeah, you know I like those.
Yeah, I like that. And then there's some more right here, but I don't know what this is. And then this one is
What is that?
the Very Hungry Caterpillar. This is like animals here, so that's pretty cool. I like this. Thank you. You know who you are. That's cool. I like that. So, but he don't know what it is, so he'll be all right. Yeah, the food is done. I just finished cooking dinner too, so. All right, so that's that. Next off, we have Nordstrom. What is that? What did I buy from Nordstrom? I don't even remember. And then again, I don't know if I bought it. Because I don't remember. Don't remember. It's probably something for the baby. Most likely. Yep, it is something for him. What is this? I don't even know. But I didn't buy this. That I know, because I don't remember looking at this stuff. Oh, he got, as you can see, we kind of like Nike in here. And everybody that I know knows that I like certain stuff. Oh, this is really cute. So most of this is his gifts. Thank you, girl. You know who you are. I know it was you. I know it was you because of the doubles. There's one person I know, when they buy him something, if they like the outfit, they always buy him a double of something. So that, oh, this is really cute. And it's a little sweatsuit, so you can match his dad. Oh, this is so cute. He got the socks to match this upstairs. I bought those, but I just didn't buy this. And yeah, so I know who this is because she bought double of everything. Thank you, girl. He did not need all this, but we appreciate it very much. Thank you. Okay, so that's that stuff here. So at least I got this little section cleared off for him. And then I got one big gigantic box from Amazon. And then, I'm sorry, I just put myself out the frame. I just cooked some dinner. And Mikey is ready to eat. And because he's holding the baby, I have to make his plate. So I'm just gonna open this. This is the last one. This thing is so big. You See how big this is? Don't look at my foot. I have to go get a pedicure. This thing is like so big. I don't know what this is. Oh, yes, I do. I do. So we are pretty much a holistic house. So, oh no, this is my trampoline, y'all. I gotta take this because I can't lift it. All right, so I got a foldable trampoline. So it folds up so I could put it away. And I saw this thing on TikTok where they was like, if you jump 10 minutes on the trampoline, it's like 30 minutes of running. And like I said, I allowed myself to heal after I had the baby. Now I want to work out. So this is my trampoline, but I can't lift it up. All right, I'm back. I had to get more boxes, and then I had to actually make Mike's plate because he was hungry. So that's what I did. Don't let nobody say that I don't be doing nothing, because I will make his plate. I don't have a problem with making his plate. He makes my plates all the time. So I want you to see the reaction of the oldest over here. So this is our our movie pajamas.
Oh my god, these socks are so cute. Is this for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, this is so cute.
It comes with the sock.
And they're really soft.
Yeah. And this is Madison's, yes.
Oh, thank you. I'm about to put them on. Well, not put them on. Because
you can't put them on. You have to wait.
Yeah, I'm going to wait.
I don't think you have to try them on. I know your size. So, somebody sent this to your brother. So, come in the camera. Say hi. Say hi.
Yeah, oh my God,
look at this.
Oh.
It's the Pixar one. Look. So you read this. It goes on the iPhone and it projects the picture onto the wall.
I see it.
Like that.
Oh my God.
So y'all can read to your brother.
Can we start it today?
If you want to.
Yes, that is so cute.
See, I told you. I knew they was going to be happy with this.
That is so cute.
Thank y'all for going through all the boxes with me today, because I would have never got through it if it hadn't been for y'all, because they still would have been sitting in here till after the fact. Life is hectic, but I committed. All right, I hit the button. So like I was trying to say, life is hectic right now for us. Right, Maya? But I committed to this Vlogmas thing, and I'm going to stick to it. Oh, okay. So this is that TikTok thing. So, like I told you, we are like we like holistic things. And they had like this. Well, this is a black-owned company too. And I saw it. It's called Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. And it's from sharealternatives.com. So it's a black-owned company on TikTok. And this came with it. So this is the turmeric one. It's packaged really well. Like, I'm trying to like just mostly focus on businesses of color. This is the coconut one. And I'm not sure what this one is. Let's see. That comes with like little wooden spoons and stuff. I like this. We actually looking into going to a holistic dentist as well. And this is the ginger one. And it comes with like little wooden spoons. It's all glass. I like that. And then it comes with a bamboo toothbrush. You're supposed to use this kind anyway. And it's wooden. So this is the kind that does not pull it pulls toxins from your body, and it doesn't keep it. So I think that's cool. Like, he's gonna love this. He always like trying stuff anyway. Especially if you feel like it's good for you. He's really gonna try it. Yeah, so that's that. And then I got one more box. And then I'm done for today. This is Hibbit again. What is this? Oh, the onesies and oh, this one is cute. So now he got a bunch of these. I don't feel like opening that because I have to wash all that. Yeah, so that is it for as of right now. I do have more boxes, but I will do that tomorrow because I want to make sure everybody eat. I want to finish cleaning up this kitchen. I want to get this walled out today. And I want to go lay down because I'm tired. I want to be refreshed for tomorrow because tomorrow I'm actually going to wash my hair. So it's going to be my holiday silk press video. And I'm just going to do that tomorrow. I'm not going to make show a day in the life of, but sometimes when I do that, most people, they just want to see what's actually, like if I'm doing a haul, they want to see the haul. If I'm doing my hair, they want to see my hair. So I'm just gonna work on that. Oh, this is yours. Okay, so I'm just gonna work on that, and that's it. So thank you for tuning in today, and we shall see you in the next one. Vlogmas day 18. You know, and baby boy turned 8 months today, and we actually didn't do anything because of this one storm. So we probably do something tomorrow, but that's neither here nor there right now. Thank you for rocking this. As you can see, I'm really tired. But it's okay. I'm going to make it through this. I'll be better tomorrow, especially since when I do my hair, because then I'm going to be feeling myself. But anyway, I'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 19. Vlogmas Day 18. That's a wrap. We love y'all. Hope to see y'all again soon. Bye.